Hello guys, welcome to another video. Now, today we shall be looking at risk management as a small topic, and I would be telling you guys what you can use to be able to manage your risk, how you can make up risk management strategy, and how your trading can improve in terms of managing trading as a business. Now, if you haven't subscribed, just help me click the subscribe button, and if you're not in a Telegram group or community, just check for the link in the description. It will take you straight to either the Telegram channel or the Telegram group where you can share with so many traders out there. So now, what about risk management? I always tell you guys to take Forex as a business, right? You have to have the ability to sustain yourself in this business in order to make profit for a long time. So you're not going to do that if you keep blowing accounts and not managing your risk. So as a trader, when you wake up in the morning on a trading day, you're supposed to be able to know what percentage of your account you're supposed to risk. Let's say last week you made profit of a $1,000 account or $100, right? Check out that profit, reset your account. There's a video I shared of the best risk management tool, and if you haven't watched that video, you can just check for the link in the description. It will take you straight to that video. Now in that video I shared a tool that can help you set up your account and know what lot size to use in order to manage your risk, right? So once you know the lot size, you're going to come and have to determine that, okay, today I'm risking this percentage of my account. But don't take that whole percentage, right? Know how many setups you can risk in a day, because the money you're using is attached with emotions. Unless you're going to tell me you're going to have a very high risk tolerance or a low risk tolerance, but let's take high, and you're not scared of losing all that money. But if you're taking it as a business, you're supposed to know that all this money can be taken. In fact, immediately you deposit your money with the brokerage and it appears on the dashboard. All that money can go, right? So, but you're here to make money. You're not here to give your broker all that money to take. So at the end of the day, what are you supposed to do? Wake up in the morning and you're going to trade, right? Say I'm risking this percentage. And if I take, for example, I only trade 2 setups a day. That's if the setups even appear. If they don't, I'm not trading that day. But if the setups appear, I'm going to risk maybe, let's say it's an example, right? 1% on each setup or 0.5% on each setup. So if that day I'm supposed to risk 1%, I'll risk 0.5 and 0.5 on 2 setups. That's 1% in total. But if I make profit on the first setup in the morning, I'm not going to come back to the charts that day. No, I'm going to take the profits that I've made and call it a day. That's how you manage your psychology and your emotions. So what am I saying? We all know our trading. Trading is something that people say, oh, I'm a trader, I'm a trader. It's like rapping, right? Do you have rappers in Uganda? I'm not so sure, but it's like rapping, right? You tell everyone you're a rapper, but until everyone listens to the trash you're going to sing, and determine the way they like their music and all that stuff, if it's good or bad, it's trading. You can tell everyone that, yeah, I'm a trader, but at the end of the day, the results speak for you. You get, that's it. So manage your risk. Risk helps you risk management helps you stay longer in the game, and you have what you use tomorrow. Some people blow their account and tomorrow they're like, okay, where am I going to get the capital from? I'm not speaking about the $10 accounts, because some people out there trade them, but I'm speaking about $100 and above. You have to sustain all that money so that you're able to place a trade tomorrow and know that, okay, yesterday I took a loss, today I'm coming to make a profit. And if I take a loss today, I'll let it go, because tomorrow I can return back all the money that I lost in the 2 days into 1 day. That's how you're supposed to take it. And that's how you come up with a risk management strategy. Yeah, I set my stop loss to how many pips, all that stuff. How many pips? 20 pips, right? That's my first entry. Stop loss is 20 pips, so I'm losing this amount of money. That tool that I shared helps you determine all that. So after getting all that in your head, that's how you come up with the entry strategy, then exit strategy, trade management strategy. I'm saying this without saying your trading strategy, because I believe everyone thinks their strategy is the best. But at the end of the day, it's your realm that determines your strategy, right? Because I may be good in my strategy, but the same way I'm going to teach that strategy to someone, it may not work for them. And all they have to do is tweak that strategy to meet their psychology and emotions. So what are we doing? This week in GU, we took a loss. We took 3 trades, 2 were profitable and 1 was a loss. And I didn't trade on Thursday. We took the loss on I think Wednesday or Thursday, but we didn't trade on Friday because the market wasn't doing any pull-ups. And I mean, yeah, any retracements for us to get into the market was bearish to the downside. That was on Geo. And I'm a person who once the train has left me, I'm in the market, I don't just jump in. I don't just jump in unless I've got the trend from the start, or unless I've got the perfect pullback. That's when I come back into the market and execute. But if it has left me, I wait for the next day, or I wait for a perfect entry. That's a pullback. That's how I trade, guys. I don't rush it. At first I used to rush it, but you know, learning comes with losing money. So you always learn, you always learn, you always learn it. So I think that's it for today, guys. If you haven't joined the Telegram group community, just check for the link in the description. Yeah, and we're also going to introduce something called crypto trading, crypto investment. That is in the private chat. Someone will be taking guys through. The guys already in the private chat, Kongs. You don't need to pay anything for it. That's free stuff. Just to teach you how to invest your money. The money you get from Forex, invest it into crypto a little bit, and to also teach you deep into crypto and all these exchanges and blockchain and all that stuff. So someone is going to be taking you through that, I think starting next week. I'm not so sure, but I'm going to pass on that communication. I already sent a message. Yeah, I already sent a message to the group notifying them that we're going to have crypto trading classes starting on Tuesday. Since we have 2 days for the lives, that is Tuesday and Thursday, we shall get 1 day where we talk about a little about crypto, because next year we're expecting a bull run and we expect that crypto market to pump maybe at the end of this year, 2023. Yeah, so guys, thank you for watching this video. Have a great one.